we can see a few really famous competitors in this race. Mauer, Kopasz and Dostal, they all have raced in Tokyo Olympics. Joseph Dostal also took the 4th place during last year's competition here in Poznań on Malta course. They are about to start, now slowly swimming to the starting machines. Of course, that is slow for now. They will considerably speed up after the start. But it is quite important not to hit the machines with too much force, as they can be prone to braking or giving wrong signals. And go. First 10 meters are crucial. If there is some mistake made during this distance, the whole race can be thrown off. And not only because of the physical capabilities, but also because of the mental ones. For now, it is, I believe, Przemysław Korsak. No, I am mistaken. It is Joseph Dostal who is swimming first. Of course, just a minute has passed now, and many athletes more capable at longer distance will be gaining lead after this time. Now they are closing in to the half distance mark. We shall see who's swimming first. And it's Baliant Kopasz from Hungary. Then on the 6th line, Przemysław Korsak from Poland. Kopasz from Hungary has now gained a significant lead. We will see if he's going to slow down a little bit now. Of course, for 1,000 meters, tactics are involved in racing. It is often wise to not finish as strongly as it is possible, just to prevent the loss of energy. Nonetheless, it seems like Kopasz is speeding up. It is really uncertain who's going to win the 3rd and the 4th place. but from here it looks like number 8, Nico Paufeler from Germany, is second, and James Russell from Great Britain is third. And with that race we have ended K1 men 1000 meters, at least for now. Now we are going to see C2 men 1000 meters, hit 1. It's the first double competition today. Most athletes value swimming alone as the most rewarding form of winning, but of course doubles have to do also very well to get to this level. What is curious, some of the top athletes from the single competition category can't swim as well with their partners.